What was the name of the old couple's pet dog? बुजुर्ग दंपत्ति के पालतू कुत्ते का नाम क्या था? Answer is Muko.
How did the old couple treat their dog? बुजुर्ग दंपत्ति अपने कुत्ते के साथ कैसा व्यवहार करते थे? Answer is fed well. अच्छा खाना खिलाया.
What did the dog discover in the ground? कुत्ते को जमीन में क्या मिला? Answer is gold.
What did the wicked neighbors hope to find with the dog's help? दुष्ट पड़ोसियों को कुत्ते की मदद से क्या मिलने की उम्मीद थी? Answer is treasure.
What did the wicked neighbors hope to find with the dog's help? दुष्ट पड़ोसियों को कुत्ते की मदद से क्या मिलने की उम्मीद थी? Answer is treasure.
How did the dog spirit communicate with the old man? कुत्ते की आत्मा ने बूढ़े आदमी से कैसे संवाद किया? Answer is dream.
What did the dog spirit instruct the old man to make from the pine tree? कुत्ते की आत्मा ने बूढ़े आदमी को देवदार के पेड़ से क्या बनाने का निर्देश दिया? Answer is mortar and mill, ओखली और चक्की.
What happened when the greedy neighbors used the borrowed items? जब लालची पड़ोसियों ने उधार ली गई चीजों का इस्तेमाल किया तो क्या हुआ? Answer is turned into worms, कीड़े बन गए.
What did the dog spirit instruct the old man to do with the ashes? कुत्ते की आत्मा ने बूढ़े आदमी को राख के साथ क्या करने का निर्देश दिया? Answer is sprinkle on trees, पेड़ों पर छिड़कना.
How did the cherry tree blossom again? चेरी का पेड़ फिर से कैसे खिल गया? Answer is ashes sprinkled.
What did the daimyo reward the old man with? डेमियो ने बूढ़े आदमी को क्या इनाम दिया? Answer is silk robes.
What did the greedy neighbor attempt to do with the magic ashes? लालची पड़ोसी ने जादुई राख से क्या करने की कोशिश की? Answer is fool a daimyo.
What happened when the greedy neighbor used the ashes? जब लालची पड़ोसी ने राख का इस्तेमाल किया तो क्या हुआ? Answer is nothing changed.
How did the daimyo react to the incident with the greedy neighbor? लालची पड़ोसी के साथ हुई घटना पर डेमियो की क्या प्रतिक्रिया थी? Answer is anger.
What did the man cry out to the people along the road? सड़क किनारे खड़े लोगों से उस आदमी ने क्या कहा? Answer is kneel down.
What did the leader of the van do when he saw the old man in the tree? जब वैन के लीडर ने पेड़ पर बूढ़े आदमी को देखा तो उसने क्या किया? Answer is ignore him.
How did the daimyo reward the old man? डेमियो ने बूढ़े आदमी को क्या इनाम दिया? Answer is silk robes.
What fate befell the greedy neighbor after his attempt to deceive the daimyo? डेमियो को धोखा देने के प्रयास के बाद लालची पड़ोसी का क्या हश्र हुआ? Answer is beating.
What did the old man share with his wife upon returning home? घर लौटने पर बूढ़े व्यक्ति ने अपनी पत्नी के साथ क्या साझा किया? Answer is joy.
What was the ultimate outcome for the kind old man and his wife? दयालु बूढ़े आदमी और उसकी पत्नी के लिए अंतिम परिणाम क्या था? Answer is peace and plenty.
Fill in the blanks. The old couple's pet dog was named blank. Answer is Muko.
The old man worked as a blank. Answer is rice farmer.
The dog found a pile of blank in the ground. Answer is gold.
The wicked neighbors hoped the dog would find blank for them. Answer is treasure.
The old man communicated with the dog spirit through blank. Answer is a dream.
The dog spirit instructed the old man to make a mortar and mill from a blank tree. Answer is pine.
The greedy neighbors borrowed the old couple's blank. Answer is mortar and mill.
When the greedy neighbors used the borrowed items, they turned into blank. Answer is worms.
The dog spirit instructed the old man to sprinkle the ashes on blank. Answer is withered trees.
The cherry tree blossomed again after the old man sprinkled it with blank. Answer is ashes.
The daimyo rewarded the old man with blank. Answer is silk robes.
The greedy neighbor attempted to deceive a blank. Answer is daimyo.
When the greedy neighbor used the ashes, blank changed. Answer is nothing.
The leader of the van ignored the old man in the tree and continued blank. Answer is marching.
The daimyo's procession was interrupted by the actions of the blank neighbor. Answer is greedy.
The old man shared his joy with his blank. Answer is wife.
The ultimate outcome for the kind old man and his wife was blank. Answer is peace and plenty.
The greedy neighbor's attempt to deceive the daimyo resulted in him being beaten and left for dead in the blank. Answer is mud.
The old man sprinkled the ashes on the withered cherry tree, causing it to burst into blank. Answer is flowers.
The kind old man and his wife lived to a blank. Answer is green old age.
Give the answers in true or false. The old couple had a cat named Muko. बूढ़े दंपति के पास मुको नाम की एक बिल्ली थी. Answer is false.
The old man was a rice farmer. बूढ़ा आदमी चावल का किसान था. Answer is true.
The old man gave food to the white heron out of kindness. बूढ़े आदमी ने दयालुता से सफेद बगुले को भोजन दिया. Answer is true.
मुको led the old man to a buried bone. मुको उस बूढ़े आदमी को एक दफन हड्डी के पास ले गया. Answer is false.
The kind old couple shared their wealth with their poor neighbors. दयालु वृद्ध दंपति ने अपनी संपत्ति अपने गरीब पड़ोसियों के साथ बांटी. Answer is true.
The wicked neighbor treated their dog with kindness. दुष्ट पड़ोसी ने अपने कुत्ते के साथ दयालुता से व्यवहार किया. Answer is false.
The dog led the wicked neighbor to buried treasure. कुत्ते ने दुष्ट पड़ोसी को गड़े हुए खजाने के पास पहुंचाया. Answer is false.
The wicked neighbor found a dead rat under the pine tree. दुष्ट पड़ोसी को देवदार के पेड़ के नीचे एक मरा हुआ चूहा मिला. Answer is false.
The old man mourned the death of Muko like his own child. बूढ़े आदमी ने मुको की मौत पर अपने बच्चे की तरह शोक मनाया. Answer is true.
Muko's spirit appeared to the old man in a dream. मुको की आत्मा एक सपने में बूढ़े आदमी को दिखाई दी. Answer is true.
The mortar and mill made from the pine tree turned rice and beans into gold for the envious neighbor. देवदार के पेड़ से बने मोटा और चक्की ने ईर्ष्यालु पड़ोसी के लिए चावल और फलियों को सोने में बदल दिया. Answer is false.
The kind old man used the ashes of the mill to make the withered cherry tree blossom. दयालु बूढ़े आदमी ने मुरझाए हुए चेरी के पेड़ को खिलने के लिए चक्की की राख का इस्तेमाल किया. Answer is true.
It was customary to kneel when the daimyo's procession passed by. जब daimyo का जुलूस गुजरता था तो घुटने टेकना प्रथागत था. Answer is true.
The kind old man threw a handful of ashes on the daimyo. दयालु बूढ़े आदमी ने daimyo पर मुट्ठी भर राख फेंकी. Answer is false.
The daimyo was delighted by the blossoming tree. daimyo फूलदार पेड़ को देखकर बहुत खुश हुआ. Answer is true.
The greedy neighbor was beaten and left for dead. लालची पड़ोसी को पीटा गया और उसे मरा हुआ समझकर छोड़ दिया गया. Answer is true.
The kind old man and his wife lived a long and happy life. दयालु वृद्ध व्यक्ति और उसकी पत्नी ने लंबा और सुखी जीवन जिया. Answer is true.
The story is set in modern day Japan. कहानी आधुनिक जापान में घटित होती है. Answer is false.
The old man made the mortar and pestle from the pine tree. बूढ़े आदमी ने देवदार के पेड़ से औखल और मूसल बनाया. Answer is false.
The good old man sold the magic rice pastry for gold. अच्छे बूढ़े आदमी ने जादुई चावल की पेस्ट्री सोने के लिए बेच दी. Answer is false.
The envious neighbor borrowed the magic mill to make rice cakes. ईर्ष्यालु पड़ोसी ने चावल के केक बनाने के लिए जादुई चक्की उधार ली. Answer is true.
The kind old man's wife put the beans directly into the mortar. दयालु बूढ़े आदमी की पत्नी ने फलियों को सीधे खरल में डाल दिया. Answer is false.
The kind old man shared his magic ashes with the daimyo. दयालु बूढ़े आदमी ने अपनी जादुई राख daimyo के साथ साझा की. Answer is true.
The greedy neighbor got revenge on the kind old man. लालची पड़ोसी ने दयालु बूढ़े आदमी से बदला लिया. Answer is false.
The story has a happy ending for both the old couple and Muko. कहानी का अंत बूढ़े दंपत्ति और मुको दोनों के लिए सुखद है. Answer is true.